Honeycash.com review, is it honestly worth it? Honeycash.com promises easy earnings like a $100 sign-up bonus, $2 per click, and $5 for each referral, simply by sharing your link or completing tasks. However, numerous recent reviews identify it as a scam. Users report fake dashboards, constantly changing withdrawal conditions, and never receiving the payouts they are promised. The site mimics the design of past fraudulent platforms, lacks transparency about its owners or business model, and makes false claims about its history and user numbers. Some users have even been asked to pay fees to access their earnings, a well-known warning sign of scams. There is no real customer support or proof of genuine payouts. The pros are non-verified, no confirmed payouts, or legitimate earning options. Some cons are misleading claims about sign-up bonuses and income, fake dashboards with increasing withdrawal obstacles, no customer support or credible company information, and risk of wasting time and exposing personal data. Some mention malware concerns. Honeycash.com is widely regarded as a scam by users and monitoring organizations in 2025. Don't expect real earnings and avoid sharing your personal details or spending time on the platform. Protect yourself by avoiding the site altogether, reporting suspicious activity, and scanning your device if you've already signed up. Subscribe.